All right, I'm playing around with a few different QuizMaker ideas. So one of the things I really like about QuizMaker is that I can animate. So here's one layout I was thinking. Now, if I build this out, I'll actually redo this template look, and then it would work with a PowerPoint slide deck that kind of fits this. But here's one of them, so you can see. Let me replay this, so you can see how the animation works. So these would come in there. And again, this is all built in QuizMaker. This is actually all the graphics and shadows and everything in QuizMaker as well. And then here's another type of question. This one I thought, this could be kind of like a chalkboard look. I'd probably put a little base down here with an eraser or something on it, and then these would be your question choices. And then, you have your text up here. Then this one's kind of a variation of it, and the idea would be I'd have a stack of papers, and they would be blown off, so you'd have a sound effect. And then you could have in that process a couple more papers kind of left on the chalkboard. I don't know if I like that one. And then here a couple, these next two are kind of a play off of the Windows 7 look, so trying to do more of it like a translucent or transparent type shapes. So this is one with the flower, and then this is one with an office environment. And then you'd put your questions on there. So something that's got more of like a Windows 7 look to it. And then this one here, I was just playing around with some animation techniques. So you can see bringing, objects into the screen. And then this one didn't work for me, so I got to rethink that one. And then here's just a different type of layout. I got this from a blog website I saw, so I kind of like the way they use the arrow with the shadow, and you can break out the text, and then you can have your information, maybe put a person or something in here, and then you'd have your question or choices down here. And then here's just another one. The design I kind of like, and again, using this little fold look. And again, all this is built in QuizMaker, so it's really neat to see the versatility you have when you're working with these. Just another couple ideas here. I don't even remember what's on there. and then that's it. So one of the things that's really cool about all of that is QuizMaker gives you a lot of capability and freedom in terms of what you want to do, and changing up the look of your quizzes so they don't all have to have that form quiz look.